How do I make my pond clear so I can't see my fish?
It's the waste. It's the waste. It's the waste. It's the waste that's causing your pond to turn green. It's the waste that's causing your pond weeds to grow out of control. It's the waste that's the waste that's making your pond look like a swamp. It's the waste. So what do you do to get rid of the waste? You use something to go ahead and decompose the waste at an accelerated rate. What is that? A great beneficial bacteria product. Bacteria eats the waste. Algae eats the waste. Pondweeds eats the waste. But by adding bacteria, you can help starve out the algae. And that's what everybody wants. They don't want a green swampy pond. They want a nice clear pond, an enjoyable one. They can enjoy with their kids, their grandkids, their family, their children, by themselves, whatever. They want a nice clear pond. Get rid of the waste and you'll get rid of the waste and you'll be able to enjoy your pond so much more. For small ponds that are less than 50 feet by 50 feet in size, get yourself some Microblift. Microblift is a great product. For ponds and lakes that are larger than 50 feet by 50 feet in size, get yourself Planktonics. Two of the best products on the market. That's it. Get at the waste. Divert them away from your pond. If they're in your pond, treat the pond with it. It's super simple. They're super effective. They're natural. They're not a chemical. Get rid of the waste. And you can get all your supplies, you know,